Hi, my name is Michael Ferns and I'm the chairman of the Goa Citizens Welfare Trust. Today, basically, we have gathered over here at the Azad Maidan because most of our Goans who are taxi drivers, the entire association, taxi owners, okay, the taxi owners, which are more than, I think, more than 1,000 people over here. Okay, we have been threatened today in our own state, in our own home, okay, of other elements coming in and taking the livelihoods of our Goans. Sir, what is it that actually say in English if you can, please, because it is
we are gathered here because of the government releasing permit for the rent-a-car permit,
okay,
which is for the outsiders,
okay,
in hundreds and bulks.
Yeah.
So it is very hard for us, for Goans who run business and survive. Yes. So we are opposite. Yes. And the other thing about the meter, they say meter and GPS system and all this simply there is a one kind of scam with the government people.
Yes. Money making.
How to do. So we oppose these things, and we are gathered here. Now we have the signing is nearly 2,600.
Okay.
You said 1,000. 2,600 people all over the Goa, like North Goa and plus South Goa. And we are all the taxi owners.
Okay.
Now, no, not the drivers.
Okay.
We are the owners of the taxi.
As now Goa should know. Goa should know, not only in Goa but around the world. All Goans should know that we Goans have got no protection at all in our state of Goa and in our own homes. We have no protection. Okay, we have the government who's only interested in high accounts. Okay, at the cost of thousands of innocent people who are living and feeding their families and supporting their families with the small business of taxi which they own.
And we are plus 7,000 people.
More than 7,000 taxi owners are going to be affected, because the government is trying to bring in other rent cars, which is not required in our state of Goa. We have enough of taxis, and us, the Goa Citizens Welfare Trust, Dadlianse Airport, is fully supporting the taxi association in Goa and the Goans and all the taxi owners in Goa. Thank you. Jai Hind.